Right, so we need to think about our degrees from the last example because they're going to help us write our polynomials in descending order. So a polynomial is written in descending order when the terms are written according to their degree, because degree has to do with exponents from highest to lowest. The coefficient of the largest degree term is called the leading coefficient. Right, so in these examples below, we're going to rewrite our terms so that our polynomial is in descending order. So for A, we have -7 plus 3x to the fifth minus x squared. Right? Our term with the largest exponent or largest degree is 3x to the fifth. So we're going to start with our 3x to the fifth. Then next we're going to write our -x squared. And then lastly, we're going to write our number, our constant term of -7. All right, for B, our largest exponent, largest degree, is this y to the fourth. So we're going to start with -7y to the fourth plus 3y squared minus 10y. And then our number constant term always comes last. Right? Notice that in this kind of definition up at the top of writing our polynomials in descending order, we also see the word leading coefficient. The leading coefficient is after we have our polynomial written in descending order, what is the first coefficient of the first term? So in this case, our leading coefficient, right, is the first coefficient of our x to the fifth term, which is 3. In this case, our leading coefficient, right, is attached to our y to the fourth term. That is our -7. Right? And the reason that we are defining this now is as we go through and we're doing some different operations on our polynomials, which we're going to start looking at in the next few sections, we might refer to or use the term leading coefficient so that we all know what it means then. Right, so polynomials, whenever we're writing our answers, we always want to make sure we write our answers in descending exponential order, right? And then sometimes we may also be using that first coefficient, that leading coefficient, to help us determine something else about our problem.